Hello everyone, this is Neil and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you can see, a bit of a first for me. I'm actually trying to confidently fly my DJI Mavic Air 2 across the Humber Estuary, so nothing but water. If anything goes wrong, we've lost the drone. It's that simple. We're going to be flying today from the south of the Humber Estuary, that's Barton on Humber, over to North Ferriby on the north banks of the Humber Estuary, not far from the Humber Bridge, which is just to the right of us as we're flying now. I've never flown this distance before in the drone, let alone, as I said, across open water. That said, it's something that I've wanted to do for a while, and today we have a nice calm evening. As you can see, the water's not too choppy. The video that you see is directly from the onboard camera. I've also left in the DJI app map, which records constantly, so you can follow along the route that we take. You can also monitor the battery life, which is something that I was keeping an eye on, obviously, and you can see the speed and altitude that we're flying at. So enjoy the video. Now, for those of you who, like me, worry about these kinds of things, I do have spotters on both the north and the south banks of the Humber Estuary. That is to say, at no point do we lose visual line of sight of the drone. Not only is this a legal requirement in the UK for any size drone, but it's good practice, and clearly this is a piece of equipment that was very expensive, and I don't want to see it sink into the Humber Estuary where I'll never get it back. And now that we appear to be safely in flight crossing the Humber, now is a good opportunity to say a huge thanks to my much valued Patreon supporters, and in particular my two newest supporters, Sam and Kieran. Thanks a million, guys. Much appreciated. As we approach the end of the first sector, I'm pleased to see that we're still airborne and approaching the north shore near North Ferriby. It's at this point, ladies and gents, that I'm obliged to tell you that North Ferriby is where the posh people of Hull live. That is to say, the majority of them still have their own teeth. All joking aside, however, and despite the fact that we've made a successful first crossing, we still inevitably need to get the drone back safely. So, halfway through the mission, let's do a 180-degree turn, and let's head back over to Barton on Humber, on the south side of the Humber Estuary. With more than 3/4 of the journey now successfully completed and a really good battery life, what we're going to do next is have a quick circle around. Let's have a look around the south bank of the Humber Estuary. Enjoy the rest of the video.